Up-level your selling on Whatnot with Seller Hub. It's your go-to spot for listings, orders, shipping, analytics, and more. Let's dive in. Start by heading to Seller Hub on a desktop web browser. On the homepage, you'll be reminded of things that need your attention, including pending shipments, offers on your listings, and any order cancellation or refund requests. On the right, you'll see some helpful video tutorials that will guide you on all the specific functions of Seller Hub. Let's explore some of the individual tabs. The Inventory tab is where you can manage all your inventory across the marketplace, as well as your live shows. Here, you can add and delete items, move items between live shows, as well as outside of live shows, and edit any item details. The Offers tab is where you'll find pending offers on your marketplace listings. You can accept, decline, or counteroffer on these requests here. The Shows tab is where you'll find all your scheduled shows, and you can schedule new shows from here too. You can also reopen your ended shows here and bring yourself back into the live view from that show. The Orders tab shows you an overview of all your orders across Whatnot. You can break your orders down by marketplace sales or filter them by fulfillment status. The Shipments tab is where you need to head post-show to create your shipping labels and get your orders fulfilled. Be sure to check out our other videos covering all things post-show shipping. In the Referrals tab, you can check to see how many of your referrals have converted into new buyers on Whatnot. When a user you referred makes their first purchase, you'll see the status change from first purchase pending to completed, meaning you earned some referral credit. You'll see an overview of your referral credits at the top of this tab. Last but not least, the powerful Analytics tab. Here, you can track your performance as a seller on Whatnot. We offer many different ways to view, compare, and track your sales metrics. We suggest routinely checking in on the Analytics tab to see what's been working well for you on your seller journey and applying those learnings to your future live shows. Our top sellers make great use of tracking their seller analytics here to improve their shows and get more sales. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to check the detailed video tutorials on the homepage of Seller Hub, as well as additional content on selleracademy.whatnot.com.